Hey guys, welcome to this coinmrbeast.com honest review. If this is legit or scam, as you can see, we're on the scam advisor and the trust score is 10, which is like extremely low. As you can see, it has only one positive highlight, but mostly negative highlights, and like the owner's identity is hidden, does not have many visitors, mostly negative reviews, and the website has been only registered recently. So whenever you see a website that has been registered recently, it usually is an indicator of a scam, because these people, they will register the website, take money from you, and then just boom, disappear. As you can see, this another website published. If we scroll down to the absolute bottom, they produce fake celebrity endorsement videos. Like all of them are using like deep fake, there's like deceptive videos and like direct viewers to coin mrbeast.com. They also tell them to use like these type of promo codes and like prevent withdrawals until deposit. Like you cannot take any money unless you deposit, and they also steal your deposit and disable accounts randomly. So this is a complete scam. Please do not fall for it. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.